In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure in Google Docs in just 5 minutes. This easy, step-by-step guide will help you create professional-looking brochures without the need for any special software or design skills. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to Google. Simply type in Google Docs in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, click on the Google Docs link to take you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your login details and proceed. On the Google Docs homepage, at the top, you will see a button labeled Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on this. The Template Gallery provides a variety of templates for different document types, including brochures. Scroll through the options until you find a brochure template that fits your needs. Click on it to open it in a new document. With the template open, you can start customizing it with your own content. Begin by highlighting the existing text and replacing it with your own. When rewriting, try to keep your content concise and engaging. Remember, a brochure is meant to provide important information quickly and effectively, so keep your key points front and center. Next, it's time to add your brand's logo. To do this, go to the menu at the top, click on Insert, then Image, and select Upload from Computer if your logo is saved on your device, or choose from Google Drive if it's stored there. Once your logo is inserted, you may need to adjust its size and position to fit the layout nicely. If the template already includes images that you wish to replace, simply right-click on an image and select Replace Image. You can then upload your own image to take its place. This keeps the process straightforward and maintains the overall look of the template. Moving on to the fonts, colors, and other formatting options. This is your chance to really make the brochure your own. Try to match these elements to your brand or desired style. Some key changes can help in impressing your audience and making your brochure stand out. Don't forget to give your brochure a thorough proofread once your design is complete. Look for any typos, factual errors, or formatting issues. The great thing about Google Docs is that it automatically saves your work as you go, so there's no risk of losing your changes. When you are satisfied with your brochure, you can download it in various formats such as PDF to ensure it's easily shareable, or even print it directly from Google Docs. And there you have it. A brochure ready to impress, made entirely in Google Docs in just a few moments.